Welcome to the Professional Standards Training Tracker Tool Training Video Series. This is Chapter 6, Manager-Director Function, Employee List, and Viewing Logged Training. The Manager and Director roles in the Professional Standards Training Tracker Tool have access to additional functions not available to the standard employee or staff users. Most of these functions are available in the Employees menu that will be visible when a manager or director logs into the Training Tracker tool. Employees available to a manager or director are driven by their profile. Setting up a manager or director profile in the Professional Standards Training Tracker tool allows the system to automatically find those employees or staff profiles that match up to your own. In this way, a new manager or director would be able to inherit all of the employees in a school or organization when they start their new job without having to manually move all the records. If we take a moment to review the profile for this manager that has been used for this video, we see that this is a school manager assigned to multiple schools. State director or FNS manager level users would be able to see their state or office on this same profile page. The school director role has the unique ability to see all school employees that are in their assigned school district for them. This page will show just the school district name. Managers are not able to see employees who are outside of their own schools listed in profile unless they change their profile to include the school, district, or organization that is missing. Any manager who has access to more than one school or organization will see a longer list of employees in other manager screens as all areas are added together. By clicking on the Employees menu, you will see a listing of 5 submenus. The submenus are Employee List, Print Certificates, Create User Profile, Search Employees, and View Logged Training. This video will look into the Employees menu, specifically at the Employee List and View Logged Training pages. For a manager or director, selecting the Employee List option will open the screen dedicated to showing a listing of employees. As a manager or director, you will be able to edit profile details, record training, print reports, and certificates. The information provided on this screen is provided based on a school year. At the top of the page, you can see this school year controls defaults to the current school year, but may be changed to the prior and next school year. The information grid on the page provides one line for each employee name. These rows show some employee profile information and the employee training goal progress for this school year. As mentioned before, the employees shown on this page are automatically placed here because of their connection to the key elements in the manager's or director's profile. This includes seeing other managers at the same school or directors at the same district. The system will show you all people who are equal to your authority or lower on this screen. By clicking an employee name, you will drill into that employee's record. This user profile screen showing the employee information would allow the manager or director to edit the employee profile details or click through into this employee's individual training record. This screen looks and acts just like your own personal training history, but it is set up to show you a single employee. To look at a bigger picture, we would look at the View Logged Training page. Review Logged Training page provides a high level of all the training that has been reported in the Professional Standards Training Tracker tool that relates to the employees you see in your employee list. This page is governed by the school year. If we were to change the school year to the previous value, That will change what is shown on the screen. The data grid on this page is set up by the training name and completion date and lists all employees who are selected for that training record. By clicking on the name of the training, you'll be taken to the training summary page, which would allow the manager or director to further drill in and edit the training record. Upload training documentation for the training record, or to delete the training record. There is one important difference between how a manager or director creates or edits a training record versus an employee. So we will click the Edit button on this training. The differences that we will show you on this page also appears on the Enter Training page. At the bottom of the page, you will see an employee selection grid. This grid displays all of the names that would appear on your employee list page. An employee would only see their own name here. By selecting and deselecting checkboxes, you are adding or removing those people to the training. Any changes saved to this training record would take place immediately and would affect other screens within the Professional Standards Training Tracker tool. Because school managers can have multiple schools in their profile, they show up in this selection list multiple times, but should only be selected once. School managers and directors also have a school filter box. This allows them to narrow the employees list down below by specific schools. As a reminder, please use the help email at cnpntab@fns.usda.gov for any questions or challenges you have while using our website. Thank you for viewing.